Welcome everybody. We'll kick off. I have a full house. Let's start by the objectives of today and timing. In terms of timing, we should be finished within the next hour. That's for sure. And the objective of today is basically to provide you all with a comprehensive overview of our solution. So you can determine if you want to go forward with testing, evaluation, or starting a project with a Netwrix Auditor. My name is Richard Notabos. I'm the country manager for the Benelux and the Nordics, and I've been with Netwrix for almost 4 years. I'll provide a brief overview of what we do and who we are. And after that, Kenneth, our system engineer, will provide a product demonstration. We were founded over 12 years ago and by now have over 10,000 customers. Yesterday saw the press release of Q3 and we added over 400 customers per quarter. So growing rapidly. Customers are divided over more than 100 countries worldwide. So we're truly operating globally with offices throughout the world. We also have many different customers, basically in every vertical that you can think of and any size. You have customers because visibility in the IT infrastructure is really, really important in order to be able to protect your data, but also to ease any troubleshooting when things go wrong. Our smallest customers are about 25, and through our managed service providers, MSPs, we have even lots of customers that are smaller than 25, but direct as a customer buying their own Netwrix installation. But 25 is the smallest I know, and we have also customers with many hundreds of thousands of licenses.